So guys, we have stopped at this small place called the Spice Hut, where we are gonna have food. It's pure veg. So let's stop it here. So guys, so we are already there, and the place looks good compared to the entrance. I've ordered one aloo plus paratha and one plain Maggi. So guys, we finished breakfast. The food was very good, and now we are heading towards Pahalgam, and then we are gonna. It's around 1.5 hour drive, and then we are gonna do some valley sightseeing over there and etc. I'll tell you. So currently we are going to sit in that tempo traveler. I had aloo plus paratha and Maggi and tea, so that was really good. So yeah, I'll meet you at the tempo. So guys, this is it for the part 1 of the Pahalgam vlog, and the part 2 is going to be a little long, but it's going to be amazing because we are going to go horse riding on a very difficult kind of road. So it's going to be very nice. I hope you enjoy it. It will take a little time, but I hope you like it. Thanks for watching this vlog. Bye.